guys, welcome back to my subscription obsession. If you are new to my channel and you love to watch unboxing videos of all sorts of boxes out there, then you are more than welcome to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. And if you do subscribe, make sure that you hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you will be notified, guys. With that said, guys, I am like super excited to unbox this box. This box is called Artza. And this box is from Israel, guys. Yes, this box is from the Holy Land. And it's delivered right to us, guys. I'm super excited to see what's in here, guys. I'm gonna leave you guys everything, absolutely everything that you need to know in order to subscribe for this box. Guess where? On the description box down below. With that said, guys, woof, I'm super excited. Let's get started. Ooh. And it says here quality check. It says hand pick, locally sourced. Guys, I am super excited. Let's get started. Let's just get started because I have like a lot of excitement right now. Ooh, look at this, guys. Look at this. First item that I am pulling out the box, guys, is going to be this right here. Ooh. And these are from Judin Desert. So I believe these are like, oh yes, they are. They're just like the little vacation cards when you go on vacation and you get to send them out. They are so pretty. Look at this first one. And then on the back, guess what? So this is the Mount of Temptation. So it has your recipient. Information will be right here. You put your stamp and it's on the go, guys. Look how pretty. My next one, this is Christmas is coming and we have something for you. So this is a little note here. So, and we have a coupon code for you guys there. I don't know if you guys will be able to still use it, but I will definitely link it if it works. And it has a recipe for a salon date cake. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, guys. And then we have another postcard, and this is masada, and again it has your space here for your recipient. And look at this. But there's more. There was more stuff there. So we still have more. Let's see what this is. Okay. Oh, so this is the artisan. Oh, this is going to be our artisan. Artisan. So this is the person who is responsible for our box. And this is roasted ground. Oh, so we have, okay guys, so we have more here. So we have this. Ooh, I believe they have some sort of part of what's inside the box, right? Because they all have a story on the back, which is super cool. I love that. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm like super excited. Look how pretty this is. I will definitely frame this and put this somewhere. I don't know if this is my information card. Probably not. Oh, this is cool because it has the English, and then it has the Hebrew language, and then it, the pronunciation as well. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Okay, let's get started. I think I'm doing a little bit too much talking and not too much action, huh? So let's just get to this box. Ooh, so let's see. Didn't see an information card, guys, so I'm just gonna grab and try to give you guys some information because I don't believe like I said, these might be my information card to each item, and I do believe that's what it is. So this is the coffee. So it's ground roasted coffee, and it's a big bag, guys. Look at this. So I did saw something here, or story. So let me go back. Oh, wait a minute. I found my information card. So here it is. So it's what's included in this quarters box, guys. So this is, oh, I just learned something new. This is a quarterly box, guys. So everything that's listed here, it's what's inside my box. So let's look for the coffee first, which is going to be, let's see if I find it. Okay, so it says fresh Israeli coffee from Agro Cafe. It's a new artisanal coffee roaster in Israel, committed to helping coffee growers around the world using unique new Israeli roasting methods. Oh my God, I can't wait to taste this. Sounds good. Next up, guys, this box is like so different. Tell me in the comments what you guys think. So we have seasoning here. So we have golden rosemary, and this is going to be I'm sorry. So this is rosemary. It's taking me a little bit to find it in the card. So this is rosemary's gold leaf cooking salt. It's a unique and incredible tasty seasoning from 424 Salts, a small business near the Dead Sea. Enjoy this extra special sparkle with your natural salt from the Dead Sea, the lowest place on earth. Ooh. Okay, so next up we have, so this is handmade in Israel. See what it is. Ooh. I don't know what it is, but doesn't look like it's anything to eat or drink or cook. I'm trying to be as careful as I can. Oh my goodness, I'm glad I was careful. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness, no way. This is so beautiful, guys. So this is going to be, this is a handmade ceramic. It says here Shalom. So it's a wall tile frame in Israeli grown olive wood from our talented and beloved artisan Jamil Hosh. So I believe he is somewhere in on the cards, because I saw something. Kind of saw that name somewhere. Oh, I think it is here. Is it this one? No, this is for the coffee, guys. This is going to be for the Dead Sea salt. Oh no, this is the Dead Sea scroll ceramic. There might be something else in there. My goodness, there's just so many goodies. I am like loving this. Oh, okay. Let's continue. Look at this. This is so pretty. Look at all that. I wish you guys would like, I don't know if the camera can do any justice, but this is beautiful. I love it. Okay, guys, look at all. I still have a whole bunch of stuff to show you. Next up, we have, oh, how pretty. So this is like a little frame, a decor. Well, it's not a frame because you can't put a picture in there, but look how pretty it is. So this is, guy, guess what? I am so not right now, guys. What I just described about the handmade ceramic Shalom wall tile frame, this is it. This is the tile frame. This is the tile frame, guys. Okay, so now we got to find out what this is. So this is another handmade piece. Okay, so I found it. So this one, guys, it's for premium subscribers. This is a gorgeous handmade ceramic olive oil jug designed to evoke the spirit of the Judean desert. But that's what that is. And this is the tiled frame here. So pretty. These are gorgeous stuff. Like, I love receiving this type of boxes, guys. Next up, we have we have something from Dead Sea, and it's a relaxing bath salt. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it smells so good. It smells, oh my god, it smells really, really nice, guys. Next up, we have pure date honey. So we have a honey. This is going to be, this is a Ceylon date honey. It's sweet and delicious syrup from our friends at the incredible Lynn Farm. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And you can use this for the recipe, the date cake recipe, I think it was. Can't wait to do that. Can't wait to do that recipe. Okay, next up, guys, which is our last item here, is going to be, this is the Dead Sea Scrolls Treasures of the Bible. So let's see what this is. Look at all the detail in there, guys. Israel is one of my, it's definitely on my bucket list. It's a place where I would love to travel to. Not at the moment. With everything that's going on with the pandemic, a lot of places are still closed. So I don't think this is one that's open yet. So guys, this is going to be, this is a replica. This is an amazing replica of the Dead Sea Scrolls, which were found in the Qumran caves of the desert and are the oldest evidence of the Bible in the world. And there's more stuff there, guys. Let me just take it off. So this is a replica of that. Isn't that awesome? This is something like if you actually do go to Israel, you will definitely bring this as a souvenir. I think it's nice. I think it's this way. Okay, so that's goes there, and then we have okay, that's the, I believe that might be the actual one. And oh guys, this box is so amazing. If you want to learn about Israel, if you love learning about different countries, receiving different stuff, like we received a little bit of really everything in this box. This box is so amazing. I highly recommend this box, guys. And again, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys everything that you need to know to go ahead and subscribe to this box. Remember, it's quarterly, and it's amazing. The products, the quality of every item in this box is like, whoa. Look at that. So pretty. I love this tiled frame. So pretty, guys. So pretty. With that said, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.